I got him through the English Springer Spaniel rescue, and we started to have food aggression problems, and it started where he was growling at us if we went too close to him with his food bowl, and it ended up where he bit me so bad that I had to have stitches. I had to have about 15 stitches in my arm. We were at the point where I was going to have to put my dog down, so this is a little hard for me emotionally. Really what I did is I just looked on the internet and found every resource I could and called probably 20 different people, and Frank was the only one who was willing to work with me with a dog that had had a bite that bad. And my dog is very well behaved in every other situation except for his food dish. And now, in a couple months, Frank has me to the point where I'm feeding my dog. The difference that I've seen in my dog is amazing. Sit. Stay. Nice job. Good boys. Both of you. Good dog. Cover, come. Sit. Good. Hop. Good dog. What a good boy.